Hey guys, Scott Isaacson, MarineMax Sail and Ski with the Lakeway location. Today we're on a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. So we're going to start back here on the platform. You've got a ton of room, really on loading and unloading. And then you've got this real nice rear-facing lounger where you can set up here. You know, you're going to hang out anchored, and it really kind of turns into like a lifeguard spot. You know, people getting in the water. One of the coolest features that this boat has is this submersible platform. And so when you see this back third of the platform, this will go automatically just on a push of a button down in the water. And so easy for people to get in and out of the water, great for pets. But really one of the coolest features where, you know, most people are going to spend a lot of their time. And then you can also swing this like so, and then you have this full sun lounge in the back as well. So let's go on board. So a very spacious cockpit. Really, you know, you're bringing out a ton of people. This is the, you know, the next generation of overnighting on these sport yachts. Push that back, that just maximizes the amount of seating. We do the snap-in sea deck flooring. We've got the stone gray upholstery and match it up with the gray sea deck. Easy to keep clean, really, it's just soap and water. Other features, so when we're entertaining, we've got the grill and the sink here. So lift that up, you got the sink, and then, you know, for beverages, fruit, snacks, things like that, you've got your fridge and the freezer. And then as we come up to the helm station, you've got these nice large Simrad screens, and you've got just a ton of features that you can use on this. So, you know, even if we went to, you know, simple things like cruise control, and then active trim, so you're not messing around with the drives, it's automatically doing that for you. So as you go up to different speeds, the drives will adjust accordingly. The Fusion stereo here, and also has Skyhook, and the you do have the joystick control here as well, so real easy around the docks. And then the port side walkthrough up to the bow really maximizes the amount of seating that you have. You've got these awesome bow loungers, armrest. I can, you know, control the stereo from here, put my phone, got my drink here. It's just awesome. Get to take in the wind. You got the wind in your hair, the lake in front of you. Just really cool features from Sea Ray with the 320. This has been an awesome boat, one of my favorite boats in their lineup. Really maximizes the amount of entertaining you can do with the massive cockpit, the fun open bow with these nice loungers, and really gets up on plane really well. So now let's go take a look down below. All right, so now we're down here in the cabin. We've got this great sleeping area in the front. You got the TV here. This can remove for a table. So if you got kids, you want to get them out of the heat or out of the cold, they can come down here, eat lunch, eat dinner, or, you know, sleep. And then to the right here, my right, we have another fridge, and then a microwave here. You got plenty of storage down below. And then a real beautiful head, vanity sink, and then toilet, and then it is an all-in-one shower. And then at the mid, we've got where you can do 2 twins, or you can push those together, or fill that in and have really the master bed mid cabin. So an awesome boat where you can, bring the family for a fun weekend, overnight, and really maximize the boating experience with the 320. Again, it's been a tough boat to keep in stock because it really has all the features that you'd want from a 32-foot boat that just packs a lot of punch. So again, you've got a huge cockpit area for entertaining with the grill. You've got the submersible platform in the back where a lot of people spend a lot of the time getting in and out of the water. You've got these nice big loungers up in the bow. And then when it's time to get a little AC, get out of the conditions, come down into the cabin, you got this nice big berth up front, and then here in the mid where you can do the 2 twins or one nice big bed. It really does it all. So come see us, come set an appointment to see this boat. Again, my name's Scott Isaacson, MarineMax Sail and Ski at the Lakeway location. Feel free to give me a call at 512-450-8023. Thanks for watching. Again, my name's Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.